Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. So today I am going to giving a concept of database, how to convert one-to-one relationship into the table. Here as you see, I have drawn a entity diagram, country and president. Country entity has some attributes called country code and country name. Similarly, president entity has attributes called president code and president name, and both these countries has the relationship because each country just has a one president, and one president is related to just one country. When we convert this diagram into the table, so we draw our table and the attribute names called country code and country name. Here in the table, these two attribute names are used as a column name, country code and the country name, and the name of the entity which is country is used as the table name called country. Now the table name is country and it has two columns, country code and country name. Similarly, president entity is converted into the table. Here in this table, the name of the table is president and the attribute names called president code and president name is used as an attribute in the table. So now what is this attribute? Why I use this attribute? Basically to link for the president and the country entity, I have used this country code in the president table. This country code is the attribute which relate these two entities, president and country, in the database, and it is also called as a foreign key, but I am not giving the concept of foreign key. So now I'm writing the country code instances in the country table. Country code is 1 and country name is Canada. Country code is 2 and country name is USA. President code is 1 and president name is Justin Trudeau. And the second is Joe Biden. Now country code is 01 and country code is 2. Now if I am asking you who is the president of the USA, so this table helped me in this question for the answer of this question. Country code 1 means Canada, and the name of the Canadian president is Justin Trudeau, and country code 2 is USA. So the country code 2 represents the name of the country and the president name is Joe Biden. This is the concept how to convert one-to-one relationship. I hope you all understand it. Thank you so much.